Alright guys, welcome back to another video. So today what I really want to show you is my strategy when trading VSLR. So VSLR is basically a solar panel company, and the reason why I like it is because it's in a current uptrend and it's a predictable uptrend, so you can identify levels of resistance and levels of support, just the way I'll show you on screen here. As you can see, VSLR is this chart that I have pulled up. And basically I want to show you my strategy on how I plan to trade this stock, not through a day trade but through a swing trade. So god damn it, this thing is always showing my account info. Now I have to blur it. Okay. So basically if we look at this section here, actually let me start from where it started uptrending. So basically we look at this section here and we see the 20-day and the 50-day and the 200-day simple moving averages are all below the trend. So if you were, okay, let me switch this to my swing trades studies, and then I'm going to apply that and I'll press OK. Okay, so if you watched my previous video, you would have learned that a 20-day, the 50, and the 200-day simple moving average should be below the trend, identifying an uptrend. So it's a good, I guess, a good indication for a purchase opportunity near the support level. So as you can see, since was April of last year, April of this year, the stock is uptrending and bouncing in between the resistance line, which is the red line, and the support line, which is the green line. And it's just bouncing in between, uptrending, very predictable, and I can say that it's a very good, safe investment. But of course, safe is a relative term. So basically, we have a high of $9.04. This is as of today, so we're looking at the 1 year, 1 day chart. So if I zoom in here, this is the previous day. It hit the support, which is a 20-day, which is also near the trend line that I kind of drew here. So of course my trend lines are rough. This is just an estimate of where resistance is and the support is. So you can basically identify support and resistance by seeing the top, where most of the highs then have like a turnover. So this made a high here. It was overbought, so of course I would think that it would be above the resistance line. Over here, it went up to the resistance, again went back down. Up here, resistance went back down. So you can basically identify like where is the point where most of these highs are hitting and where are they turning. It's just like where are they pulling back. So that's how you identify resistance, and basically it's the same thing with support. You can identify resistance and support with a downtrend, with an uptrend, and with a consolidation. So consolidation is basically when the chart is neither moving in an uptrend and neither moving in a downtrend, but rather moving in a horizontal manner. So basically my strategy, when this comes right back down, because now we're at an overbought section, it's above the resistance that I drew here. So when it comes back down here to this level, and this simple moving average is still below the price, I will buy around this area, and then I'll probably hold it until it reaches the top and then sell it, and then do that same thing again when it hits the green and sell it when it hits the red. So that's basically my strategy. You can do this as well. You can test the strategy on the simulated account. So if you have a paper trading account with whichever broker you have, you can practice it and see if it actually holds true to its support and resistance levels. But besides that, I just want to show you what my plan was to trade VSLR. It's a really good company, I believe. It's sitting at $9, so you can hold a lot of shares. So yeah, I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you want, please consider subscribing, leaving a like on this video, and commenting any questions or concerns you have down below, and I like to read them and get back to you as soon as possible. So again, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.